Samsung has launched its new mid-range smartphone under F series in India called Galaxy F56, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F56 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. And the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1480 chipset, paired with Xclip's 530 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy F56 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel HDR camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, based on One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162 by 77.3 by 7.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's break down the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F56 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 25,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 28,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in green and violet color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F56 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.